guys, welcome back to the channel. Today you join us in Dartmouth for another property tour. We're going to be showing you around this £3 million riverfront home listed with Marchand and Petite. Now this property has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 1,335 square feet. We've got loads of outdoor space. We're currently on the decking right now, this terrace, that just looks all the way down the river towards that naval college. We also have great access to the water as well. At the front of the property, it's very hidden down beneath a nice stone wall, so it really fits in with the Dartmouth countryside. We've also got a bunch of palm trees up there as well as some nice landscaping. And we've actually got enough room for 2 or 3 cars in your private parking up top as well. So you come down into the property, but we're going to start this tour off by the water because that's why this property, in my opinion, is absolutely incredible. So we'll meet you guys right down there. As I mentioned before, this property benefits from direct water access from the river. Can't get much closer than this. I can literally touch the sea with my foot. But yeah, beautiful river here. So you can come down on a nice hot day and jump straight in.
Yeah,
you can maybe even have some, you can have some kayaks here as well.
Perfect.
Perfect, yeah. But then we also have another bit of access to the water here too. So we're gonna head on up these steps here. We've got the banister here keeping you a bit more secure when you're coming up, and you join us at this area of the house, which is essentially a garage for your boat. So we've got a davit here, which actually picks up the boat out of the water because you've got your own little private bay for a boat here. You can bring it all the way inside the boathouse here. So inside the boathouse, we actually have a drain and a tap. The drain runs all the way over, so when you bring your boat in, you could wash all the salt off in here and leave it nice and safe out of the water. So you could leave the property, keep your boat here, it'd be great.
Yeah, there's so much room,
So much room in here. It's a really cool room actually. We've got all the wood on the ceilings with all the spotlights and the staircase here. Really characteristic wooden staircase, which is quite a contemporary looking addition to the house with all the wood here, I'd say.
Definitely.
Now you know it's a boat room when you've got a little porthole like that on the door. Yeah. So this is the sunroom, an incredible space. We've actually got glass all the way around here, so we've got a very panoramic view of the river. You can actually open both these doors up.
Yeah, that's my favourite part. You can have the sea breeze, but also the heat when it's like sunny.
Right, all the water splashing on the rocks, it's really relaxing.
Yeah, watching all the boats come past.
Exactly that, and then yeah, these great seats here also, just to enjoy that view. So it's a really good room, this. I'm just gonna take this moment to take my shoes off. And Jazz and I are going to swap over, but yeah, I just can't get over the view.
I know, it is spectacular.
The river looks so pretty. Okay, Jazz, do you want to take us to the bedrooms?
Let's go. Right, so we're stepping up here, and I'm going to take you into the principal bedroom. So all the rooms are fairly spacious double beds. We've got plenty of storage, and it switches to carpet in here, which is nice. But the best thing about this room is that insane view. You just sit here and all you can see is the river leading out to the sea, and it's pretty special, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks great.
Got some nice neutral tones in here as well. I like the wooden bed frame, keeps it feeling very beachy too. Yeah. Now here we have the hallway. We're gonna go into this one.
Yeah.
So this is bedroom number 2, very, very similar with the same views out to the sea, gorgeous wooden bed frame and loads of storage.
Loads of storage there, yeah.
I like the lights here, how they like cast the shadows up as well.
Yes, that's good, right?
Yeah, and then final bedroom, bedroom number 3. Obviously it's got 2 single beds at the moment, but can be used as a double bedroom, and more blue tones in
We've
here.
also got a little seat underneath the window there.
I love window seats.
Cool little spot, isn't it?
Let's have a look. Yeah, you can kind of see across to the houses.
Yeah, nice.
Which is nice on the other side. Some of the houses as well there, just such great views, everything here. Right, we're gonna head on into the family bathroom. So it's very bright in here, as you can see. We've got the mirror lights, we've got the white gloss units and the bath here, which also has a shower wrapped around as well.
Big sink there too.
Yeah, massive sink with storage, which is great. And then we also have another bathroom through here, which has toilet, sink, and a shower, which is good. So you've got separate ones, which is great because this is can be used as an Airbnb. So
yeah, if you were to like rent this out, it'd be a great way to make some money.
It would be perfect. Right, so we're gonna head on upstairs. I'm just gonna point out this staircase first.
Yeah, the colours are good, isn't it? Very beachy.
The green.
Yeah.
Right, so we're gonna meet you upstairs and show you the open plan living area.
Let's do it.
Now we're up in the open plan living space and we're going to start straight away in the kitchen. So we have the stone effect countertops. We've got everything you need. We've got the oven, microwave, induction hob, washing machine, dishwasher. It's a very well equipped space. And we've also got the kind of white glossy cabinets. Yeah. Massive fridge freezer. So much storage here really. It's got everything you need. Yeah. And then coming on over here, we have the dining table. It's a nice wood dining table. I like the kind of elements of wood in here, such as the floor, the wooden beams on the vaulted ceilings. It makes it feel really beachy.
Yeah, super high ceilings in here as well. It's a really open, airy space with all the light coming in outside. Looks great.
Definitely. We've got all the windows out to the terrace and they're arched as well. They look gorgeous on the outside as well because they're painted blue. Yes. So from the terrace and even from here, you've just got such nice view.
There's really characteristic archways from the outside.
Definitely, yeah. Even the doorway to the terrace has the arch. Now coming on over here, we have the lounge space. We have the feature stone fireplace as well as 2 sofas and a TV. So we've got seating areas in here and we've also got it out on the terrace too. There's just
you can really enjoy that sunshine when you're out on the terrace. There's a few seats out there. Yeah, exactly, really enjoy that view. That's definitely where I'd be. Yeah,
definitely. You've got the TV there, but I'd be looking right out there.
For sure.
Of that window. Now, coming on over here, we have the access point to the front of the property. Kind of acts as a little boot room as well, because we've got another door which accesses the balcony.
Yes, like a side access almost.
Yeah, exactly. Now we're gonna take you outside and show you what is immediately around the property. So, let's go.
You join us now outside Dartmouth Castle and St Patrock's Church. Originally, the castle was built as a naval defence to look over the estuary and the mouth of the River Dart to prevent any attacking ships, but now it's just a beautiful monument and we get the privilege of being able to look at it because it is absolutely stunning. The other way from the property, we go into Dartmouth town. There's a ferry right next to the property that actually can take you all the way into the centre of town for just £3. And yeah, we've also got loads of walks around here too. The property is submerged in the woodlands as well as being by the sea, so you get the best of both worlds. It's a really, really stunning location to have a home. I hope you guys have enjoyed this property tour. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.